Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm gonna be doing this pumpkin Halloween look today, and I'm gonna take you along with me. So yeah, let's go.
It's my lipstick off my face, and boy, give me good loving all day, and boy, give me good loving always.
Okay, I'm gonna start off with my Maroon Paradise watercolor paint in the shade black, and I'm just going to be outlining the zigzag. That's going to be separating my face makeup from my face paint. And I never did anything like this before. I never did any face paint stuff. I'm new at this, so y'all just bear with me. If it looks crazy, then it will look great at the end. I'm getting better as I go, but I'm gonna be doing videos like this throughout the whole October, so yeah, that's exciting, I guess. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing the zigzag, and I'm looking at a picture I have pulled out of my phone on Google, so I'm just gonna go with that and try to do the best I can. I hope it turns out looking some sort of decent. Now I'm just trying to draw the nose, which that was difficult to do for me because I'm not good at painting on my face. I'm good at painting on other people's face, but not on my own face. So I'm just trying to practice here. Well, not practicing, I'm just taking my time. Then I'm gonna fill it in with black paint, and these are really good paints to start with. The watercolor paints, number one, they're a little on the pricey side, but they are really great. Then I'm gonna mix my red and yellow, I believe, and make this beautiful bright orange. And I'm just going to be placing this on this entire side of this face, of my face. And this paint was really cold, so just a fun fact. And for some reason this paint smells like cupcakes. Okay, I'm going to apply a second coat off camera, so when I get back on camera, the second coat will be applied. Now I'm just doing the little stitches, I guess you call that, on the sides of the mouth. I did that off camera, my lips and stuff. Just draw two lines, one from the lips and then draw them going down, starting from the smallest to the longest. Then I'm gonna do the same thing from the top of my lips and then on the other side. And I'm no expert at this, so I'm just looking at the picture and trying to do what I see. And sometimes I just add my own twist to it if I can't get it the exact way. Now I'm just drawing a triangle over the eye, and I'm gonna put it in black and try to put as much in as I possibly can. Okay, now I'm going to be drawing the lines going down, just like a pumpkin has. Now I try to do this with a steady hand because you can easily mess up and swipe the wrong way. Okay, now I'm going to start on my makeup. Taking my midnight cream colors and beard stipple, fill in my brows, and I'm gonna prime my face with some Stay Matte Primer by Rimmel. I'm gonna use my two Maybelline concealers, my dark brown concealer and my white concealer, and mix those together. Cut my, and then carve out my brows. Clean those brows up. Or clean that brow up. And I'm gonna prime my eyes with that too. Taking my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, taking this orange shade, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. Now I'm taking my Warriors palette by Juvia's Place and taking that dark brown shade, put it in the crease as well. And I'm gonna cut my crease with my Maybelline concealer.
We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense.
Taking my James Charles palette, I'm going to be using my orange shade, and I'll be putting that on my lid, and taking this Too Faced off the my gold palette and taking that shade called Old Money, I think. The orange shade in there, I'm just going to put it over that. Then I'm going to take my liquid eyeliner by Essence Precision Liner, and I'm going to create a wing. Then I'm going to fill that wing in with my e.l.f. liner, e.l.f. liquid liner. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundation, and I'm going to be using this toothbrush I got from Amazon to blend that in. Now I'm just taking some black radiance press powder and just pressing that into my skin. Now I'm going to finish this look off camera. And this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more and the more detailed looks, then please leave comments below on what looks you want to see. Thank you, until next time. Bye.